In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download or save someone's WhatsApp statuses to the camera roll of your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and once you open up WhatsApp app, tap right here to head over to statuses, and that's where we can find all the recent statuses of all our WhatsApp contacts. However, unfortunately, WhatsApp application doesn't have an inbuilt feature that allows us to download or save that statuses. However, we can use iPhone inbuilt features to do that. So guys, once we open up a YouTube status, and if that status is kind of an image, we can just take a screenshot and then save it to our camera roll. To take the screenshot on an iPhone 15, I just need to press at the same time volume up button and power button. Just like that. It takes a screenshot and then we can edit it. We can crop it in the way we want, just like so. And then to save it, we need to tap at done and then save to photos. After that, we can head over to Photos app, where at Recents we can easily find the screenshot we have just saved. However, if you would like to save video status, you need to use another way. Let's say here we got a video. Oh yes, that's exactly the video, and I will show you how to save it. So guys, first off, we need to head over to Settings and then Control Center. In here, we need to make sure that Screen Recording Tool is added to included controls. If it is not, scroll down until at More Controls you will find it, and then just hit at the plus sign and it will be immediately moved right here. After that, we can activate screen recording from the Control Center. To head over to the Control Center, swipe down from the top right corner. That's where you can easily find screen recording shortcut. To start recording your screen, just activate it. After a countdown, it will start recording a screen, and then we can just start playing the status we would like to save. And then once it is done, just stop recording it. It is saved to Photos, and then if we head over to Photos app, we can easily find the video we have just recorded, and then we just need to trim it a bit. To do that, we need to tap at Edit, and then we can just in that way trim it from the start, and in the same way we can trim it from the end. Also, if you would like to crop it, you can easily do so. Just tap right here at Crop, and then we can hide all the WhatsApp elements like WhatsApp, system menus. And then to save this video, all you have to do is just hit at done and then save video. That will save it to your camera roll in trimmed and cropped condition. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.